How does translation impact cultural diversity? Have you ever thought about how translation shapes our understanding of different cultures? Translation is much more than just swapping words between languages. It serves as a bridge connecting diverse cultural landscapes. Each language carries its own unique cultural environment, influenced by history, social practices, and collective identity. This means that when we translate, we are also transmitting and negotiating cultural meanings that are deeply embedded in those languages. At its core, translation enables communication between various cultural groups. It opens the door for ideas, beliefs, customs, and knowledge to be shared across linguistic boundaries. This exchange enriches cultural diversity, making different cultural expressions accessible to people who may not speak the original language. For example, translated literature allows readers to experience stories and traditions from cultures far away, preserving those narratives for future generations. However, translation is not without its challenges. Translators must navigate differences in worldviews and social norms between the source and target cultures. This requires careful mediation to maintain the essence of the original culture while ensuring it is understandable to others. Translators often find themselves balancing between two worlds, trying to stay true to the original message while considering the expectations of the new audience. From an anthropological perspective, translation can both preserve and transform cultural diversity. It helps cultural expressions survive and circulate beyond their original contexts. Yet, it can also introduce new interpretations or frame a culture through another's lens, which might alter meanings. This transformation is part of the dynamic nature of culture as it interacts with others. Moreover, translation plays a vital role in supporting the coexistence of multiple cultural identities. It allows minority languages and cultures to be heard in broader contexts, which is essential for cultural survival in our globalized world. By exposing audiences to unfamiliar perspectives, translation can challenge stereotypes and promote openness. In practical terms, translation is crucial in fields like anthropology, where understanding cultural differences requires accurate interpretation of languages and practices. It is also significant in education, media, literature, and diplomacy, where effective cross-cultural communication is necessary. In summary, translation impacts cultural diversity by enabling cultural exchange and preservation, mediating cultural differences, and sometimes transforming cultural meanings. It reflects the complexities of human cultures and their interactions, making it a vital process in our interconnected world.